Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MFA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis yesterday on Tuesday, so that is where the red line annotations there are coming from. But first, let me state the obvious here, just to set up some context. The context being a very, very impressive bounce. I mean, to think that the price started off down here, and then now it's all the way up there. That was a very, very impressive bounce, but that does lead to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type movement? I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. In my mind, it all revolves around a single level, and that level is right here at 85 cents, which is where the first update comes into play. And this update is just based on a foundational rule, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. And 85 cents is very important, assuming we can agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was, right? So assuming we can agree on that, think about that 85 cent mark. If the price were to come down to 85 and then just continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? Well, from a very literal perspective, that would quite literally be putting the price right back inside of that range of the chart that it just broke out from. Again, going back, not exactly a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price came down here, behaved in that manner, and then began to work its way back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows here. You'd have that set of lows down there. If you envision each of those as stair steps, well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do moving forward. It's going to make progress. And in this situation, that level at 85 cents is the quote-unquote area of progress. As far as levels of resistance, nothing new here to report. Talked about $1.50 in yesterday's video. And sure, it didn't hit it exactly, but I think we can all agree. Got very close to that red line before getting rejected back down. So not really an update, but more so kind of confirmation that that $1.50 mark is indeed that current level of resistance to watch. But all in all, crazy bounce today. Not just a question of can the price build upon this momentum going forward. Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.